Alright, got another Tazer DT video here. So in this video we're going to show you how to recalibrate your speedometer for larger tires. So this truck came with 33s from the factory, but I've since installed Toyo Open Country AT3s, which are 34.6 inch tires from a diameter standpoint. So let's hop inside the truck and I'll show you how to adjust it with the Tazer DT. Alright, so once we're inside the vehicle, the first thing you want to do is turn the vehicle to run, but not turn the whole truck on. Because this is a vehicle setting that we're adjusting, we only need the vehicle in the run position. So once we do that, our screen's going to turn on. Then we're going to want to make sure we're navigated to the audio menu. Again, just like all the other settings, they can only be adjusted through the audio option on the screen here. Then we're going to hold the left button and hit cancel until we navigate through to the performance menu. So we're going to keep going. So now we're at the performance menu. I'm going to hit the cruise control button, which is the OK, and that brings me to tire size. So you can see I already have it properly corrected for my tires. They're 34.65 inches diameter, but if I need to increase, I would just hit the positive button for cruise control, which will bring it up. If I want to decrease that size, I want to lower it down, I just hit the negative button, so the decrease cruise control. So I could adjust it all around. So factory on my truck was 33. Now I'm running 34.6 inch tires. These are, again, the Toyo AT3s. And then I'll hit the middle button to confirm that. So it says tire size set, but we're not done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate through here and we're going to go to full reboot. Every time you adjust vehicle settings, you want to perform a full reboot, and then you want to do 2 sleep cycles. So let's find full reboot here. So once we hit this, it's going to do a countdown, and it's going to cycle the dash on and off a few times. Everything, including the radio, everything is going to cycle through. So let's give it a few minutes and let it reboot itself so those settings will save. Alright, so after it's done the full reboot, what you want to do next is go through 2 sleep cycles. So we'll turn the vehicle to on, then we'll turn it off, open up the door, and now what we're going to do is wait for that screen to go blank. That means it went through its first sleep cycle. It's roughly 60 seconds, I believe. Alright, so that's the first sleep cycle. Again, we're going to do it one more time. Going to put it to run so the screen turns on. Going to turn that off. Going to open the door here. Shut the door. So now we're going to wait, and this is the final sleep cycle. So after this, once you fire up the truck, the settings should be readjusted in your truck. So now that you should be running the new tire diameter size that you set using the Tazer DT. So it's very simple. That's how you adjust for tire size using the Tazer on your Ram truck. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching.